guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for always watching. So I just want to quickly unbox the package I got from Temu, just really quickly. Like, this is a sharp video. At this point, Temu should send me free things. Like, I mean, I've gotten free things from Temu, but there's always a condition attached to it. It's either buy this to get these two things free, or buy this to get this free. I mean, Temu send me free things without conditions, because every month I'm ordering from Temu. Anyway, let's quickly unbox and see what we have here. So we have this. Actually, I didn't place this order. My husband did too. I don't really know everything that is here. Okay, this is, oh my god, this is for our son. It's a winter romper or onesie. Wow, this is so cute. Like, this is so nice. Look at the fleece inside. The quality is, I love this. This is so cute. Like, just take a look at this beauty. I'm going to leave a picture of the app on the video to see the price and the full picture of this. This is so cute. Wow, I'm impressed with Temu. As in, with each order I get from Temu, I'm just impressed. Every time with each order, like with each order, is so nice. Just take a look at this. It's solid. This is the next thing. Okay, it actually came with the romper. I guess it's the jacket. Wow, this is the knitting for the hand. Be for the leg, I don't know. Either the knitting or the jacket, whatever it is. Okay, these are the mittens for the baby's hand, to cover the hands, and this should be for the leg. This is so nice. Like, I'm impressed with the quality. From the picture I'll place, you'll see what this is for. It's just to put over the hood. This is so nice. Oh, Temu. No, Temu is really trying their quality. This romper, I can't wait. The weather now, we're in winter in Germany, and it's something else. So this really come in handy. So this is the next thing. This is our Christmas pajamas. I mean, why not? So one hack I found out on the Temu app is, when you're ordering these pajamas, this Christmas pajama set as a family, like if you're ordering it as a family set on the app, it's more expensive. But if you order it individually, like you order for the woman, you order for the man, then the child, it's cheaper. So that was what we did, instead of ordering as, you know, a family. This should be either my husband's own. Yeah, this should be for my husband, the man. I mean, the quality is okay. It's okay. This should be for the man. And let's see mine. We didn't order a lot. Just this is even the main thing that took us to Temu to order this. The next one is for the baby, to order this Christmas stuff. Yeah. Look at this. My first Christmas. My baby's first Christmas. So this is nice. Hopefully we do a family photo shoot. Why not? We will do it though. Do it yourself. And this is my own. I ordered a size large because it's actually, I don't even know. Is either this one is mine or the other one. I might wear it to show us what it looks like. But it looks the same with, almost the same with my husband's own. I'm not sure, but I'll show us what it looks like. And that's it. The main thing we actually ordered was just this Christmas family pajama set, and of course the baby romper. What do you think? I really love, like, I'm so impressed with that baby romper. Like, I'm so impressed with this thing. Just take a good look. Like, let me open it so that we can see. Just take a good look at this. Like, the quality is top notch. I'm in love. I'm so in love. Like, I don't even need to layer my son up with this. Once I put him inside here, like the Igbos will say, when we get any member, it's over and done with. Like, he won't feel cold. I'm just so happy. Temu is coming through. Temu, send me free stuff. I'm putting it out there now. Send me free stuff, okay? I'll be happy to review. I mean, everything. I've had a lot of orders from Temu, and everything is just nice. Just take a look. Anyway, that's all I got from Temu. Next time when I place more orders and I get them, I'll surely come here to unbox them. Thank you for watching to this point, and stay blessed. Bye.